The Passat TSI EcoFuel. The Passat TSI EcoFuel is equipped with 3 natural gas tanks and 1 petrol tank. One natural gas tank and the petrol tank are strapped to a tubular frame as a so-called front cylinder pack. Later on, the pack is positioned in front of the rear axle. The rear cylinder pack is supplied with 2 natural gas tanks and installed behind the rear axle during production. Other components involved in pre-assembly are the electromagnetic cylinder valves, offering 4-fold safety, and the stainless steel fuel lines. All tanks containing natural gas are made of safety-tested lightweight constructional steel and are subjected to stringent load tests before installation. The front tank has a capacity of 6 kilograms, and the 2 rear tanks together 15 kilograms. The petrol tank is 31 liters in size. The Passat TSI EcoFuel is manufactured on the normal Passat production line. During line-incorporated production, the so-called insertion frame is equipped with the EcoFuel pre-assembly components. The EcoFuel engine for the Passat is a TSI engine which has been specially optimized to run on natural gas, resulting in outstanding consumption and performance. Operation of the engine control system is bivalent, that means in both modes. The combustion of natural gas produces a noticeable turbo lag. The compressor of the twin charger is effective in counterbalancing this lag. The short exhaust system ends ahead of the rear axle. This means that the Passat TSI EcoFuel has a closed rear spoiler without a visible tailpipe. The Passat TSI EcoFuel. Maximum power combined with outstanding economy. Network coverage is becoming denser. In Germany, over 900 filling stations currently sell natural gas fuel. The filler necks for natural gas and petrol are jointly located behind one fuel filler cap. The classic petrol stub is at the bottom and natural gas at the top. The fuel nozzle is simply positioned on the filler neck and the filling process starts. The natural gas flows into interconnected tanks along stainless steel fuel lines. The filling capacity is 21 kilograms with a pressure of 200 bar. Once the tanks are full, the filling pump cuts off automatically. In Germany, natural gas is sold in kilograms. The energy content is specified so a meaningful comparison can be made with other fuels. Here, 1 kilogram of natural gas has around the energy of 1.5 liters of petrol. If we compare the different energy content levels of diesel, superfuel, liquefied petroleum gas and natural gas, as well as the relevant fuel costs on the basis of super, one thing becomes clear. No other fuel can compete with natural gas. For anyone with a Passat TSI EcoFuel, driving now becomes as economical as a quarter of a century ago. The natural gas passes from the tanks to the engine via valves and stainless steel fuel lines. An electronic high-pressure regulator reduces the tank pressure from 200 to between 5 and 8 bar. The natural gas passes to the common rail via a low-pressure line and then through the injection valves to finally arrive in the combustion chamber. With 21 kilograms of natural gas, the Passat TSI EcoFuel has a range of 480 extremely economical kilometers when running solely on natural gas. A perfect match. Dynamic performance and EcoFuel, 150 horsepower and 220 Newton-meters of torque, have the Passat TSI EcoFuel accelerating to 100 kilometers an hour in 9.7 seconds, with an extremely economical consumption of an average 4.4 kilograms of natural gas. The underfloor tanks enhance the dynamic performance with their low position of center of gravity. Even greater dynamism is delivered by the new 7-gear DSG double-clutch gearbox, the first 7-gear transmission system for frontal transverse installation. With its dry double clutch, boosts efficiency while reducing consumption and emission levels. Welcome to the city. With 117 grams of CO2 per kilometer, the Passat TSI EcoFuel is setting new standards in its class. so giving it the green light to all low-emission zones. Additionally, natural gas can be replaced by right up to 100% biogas. As a result, the CO2 emissions would be further reduced. Many local and regional energy suppliers support the purchase of natural gas vehicles. The Passat TSI EcoFuel has been honored as eco-friendly. It is the first vehicle awarded 5 stars in the ADAC EcoTest. The Passat TSI EcoFuel steers the course for the next stage of success for cars running on natural gas. Volkswagen, das Auto.